Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to short XRP, and I'm going to tell you why I'm going to short XRP. You can see this structure, and this whole structure was in bullish move, right? You can see this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This was a higher low, and it again made a higher high, and it made a higher low by giving this as a this was a resistance which it broke and it came to this support zone, and it made a support. It was trying to go up, but it failed to go up and made a lower high, which to valid the selling pressure, or to valid it is a reversal. It should made a lower low, right? So it broke this support and structure right here and made a lower low, and it is a reversal. It shows us a reversal of this trend, right? Of this bullish trend. It ended a bullish trend and it shows some reversal, right? So you can see this. Sorry, you can see this while, and you can also see you can also use this trend line, right? So there was so many buying pressure at this level, right? Buy bought, you can see. Okay, I'll try. Bought, right? It was bought, right? This whole was the structure was the low was making a higher high, right? So low was making higher high, and it was making a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This was a double bottom, and it broke this rusting zones, right? Rusting zone. It came to this level. It acted as support. There was a huge rejection at this level. It moved up, but it failed to move up and broke this support zone and structure and trend line also, right? It also break a trend line, right? And it is it is valid that it is making a reversal kind of pattern, right? And you can see this from where, and I'm waiting for the price to move up and give a rejection, right? I need a kind of a pattern like head and shoulder while giving a rejection. I was or double top, and I was waiting for the that setup. So at this level, I draw a zone at this level. It was a resistance which act as a supported, which act a support, and it break the support, which is now a major resistance level, right? So at this trend line, it give a rejection at this level, right? And I thought it could be a this real selling pressure, and I could go for sale, but I did. After seeing some wicks right here, I thought that it might not go right now, right? It might not go down right now. So I waited for the double top, right? And you can see it has made a double top, right? You can see, right? At the zone, this support zone, this resistance zone, it was a resistance, now major resistance. It made a rejection at the resistance zone right here, and I was waiting the price to not to break this wick and close above this wick, until if it broke the break the if the candle break above this wick and make a closing at this level, then I would not go for sale. But it has made a double top by not moving up, not closing up of this candle previous this week, and it has given us some selling pressure at this level, shooting star. And now it has given you can see this level. You can see this candle as a bearish Marbujo candle. You can also see this, and the volume at the bearish Marbujo candle is higher than the previous green candles, right? And you can also see this. You can also, okay, I'll just, you can also, okay, you can also see this. The candlestick pattern. It is a kind of evening star candle at the double top, and now I'm sure that this is, and I was waiting for this setup, and it has made this double top at the after it broke the structure and at the major rusting zones. So I'm going for short. You can see, and and for going short, I would not go after it, make a double top. I always want to see what the lower time frame is doing, right, or the price is doing in lower time frame. So I see this, you know um, in a lower time frame, as a 1 hour time frame. I see the structure going higher low right at this level. It broke this level, right? It also broke this 1 hour higher low formation, and made a lower low, and it is retesting this level, right? So you can see it is retesting this level, right? And you can see right at this level. Okay, so I would go in a 15-minute time frame. Now there is some kind of complex retracement. You can see this price was making a higher low, right? Price was making a higher low. Still it was not breaking this major structure, but it was making kind of higher low you know um, minor structure. So it broke the structure also. Now it is trying to go for um, uh, you know it is going for retracement, or to see whether there was a real selling pressure or not. So you can see there is from this level the major selling pressure was came, right? From this level the major selling pressure came. So it is kind of double bottom, but you can see in our high time frame we are in a reversal kind of pattern, and all the structure was showing us, all the pattern was showing us this one breakdown structure right here. I've already told you breakdown structure right here, you can see, and breakdown of this trend line, right? And you can see that this was a resistance. It make a support and break of this support zone, and it acted as resistance zone previously, and now it is making a double top, right? It has made a double top. A candlestick pattern was right, like a Marubozu candle. Now it should go down. And you can also see this. If you want to look up, you also should look up volume, right? So while the price was going down, while the price was breaking the structure, breaking trend line, breaking support zone, whatever you call, the volume, you can see the volume was huge, right? Volume was huge. And while the price was moving like a retracing, you can also see, till retracement or pullback, the volume was again down, right? No volume was there, because while the price was moving, crashing down, or the price was rapidly going down, the volume was up. And the price, when the price pulled back or moved up, when the price moved up, the volume was literally lower than the price, lower than the volume which was seen in this selling pressure, right? So the selling pressure is valid. This was a nice selling pressure. Now I'm going for sell. So whether you see a 1 hour, 1 hour time frame double top, double bottom, or inverse and so you should be careful. You should see high time frame structure, right? So I'm waiting for this structure. If it gives me if it makes some kind of a rejection at this level, I'm going for sell. I need a clear rejection. I need a huge volume like this at this level. I would not trade I would not trade after I see this kind of rejection, like this kind of rejection, or this kind of rejection, or this kind of rejection, with no volume, right? I want to see a volume like this. You can see a volume. If it kind of like this or kind of like this, I would want to see a volume kind of this. And I want to see a uh, you know the candlestick pattern like this at this level, or a Marubozu, or a shooting star, and the volume is good, then I'll go for short. So this is my trade. This is my upcoming trade today. I was busy because before I did not make videos for long, because I was not trading, because I have made a lots of profit, at the bullish, when the price reversed. And I have also told you to, I've also made a video on ADA, which I took a trade, and I have made a lots of, I have made a satisfying amount of money. And so I also informed you about ADA Carano, which moved up to around 50% from the breakup structure and retest, which I have, from where I have taken a trade. So yeah, if you want this kind of video to, if you want this kind of content, so, to update, so please subscribe. And whatever you want to trade, just and whichever currencies, crypto you want to trade, just comment me down, so I can, analyze, and I can give you the exact, um, trading opportunities of that trade, of that cryptocurrencies. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and keep subscribing.